You think you understand attraction. You think love is about kindness, honesty, and giving her everything she wants. That's what society taught you. To be the nice guy, to show affection, to prove your love by being available and caring. But what if I told you that the men who truly control the game, the ones women crave, chase, and can't forget, don't play by those rules? What if love, at its core, operates on the same principles of power that govern kingdoms and empires? Niccolo Machiavelli, the ruthless philosopher of dominance and human nature, once said, "It is better to be feared than loved, if you cannot be both." And maybe that doesn't just apply to politics. Maybe it applies to love too. Because when it comes to attraction, power always wins. Machiavelli's lessons weren't just about ruling nations. They were about understanding people, their desires, weaknesses, and instincts. In this world, those who understand human psychology rise above those who simply hope to be liked. Today, we'll explore Machiavelli's 5 hidden rules, psychological laws that make a man magnetic, unforgettable, and in control. These aren't manipulative tricks. They're the foundations of emotional power, the kind that makes a woman think about you, chase you, and even beg for your attention. Once you learn these, you'll never see attraction the same way again. The first rule is simple but brutal. Power creates desire, not pleasing. Most men think if they're nice enough, if they compliment enough, if they do everything she asks, she'll finally love them. But niceness without boundaries isn't kindness. It's weakness. People by nature are drawn to strength, not submission. When you overgive, when you make her the center of your world, when you chase, you hand her your power. And the moment she feels your world spinning around her, the attraction dies. Machiavelli would tell you never to depend on someone else's approval, to control the outcome yourself. That means your attention must be earned, not given freely. Build a life that is so rich, so full of purpose and self-respect that she feels lucky to be noticed by you. Don't try to please her, lead her. A man who doesn't beg for validation, but grants it only when deserved, becomes irresistible, because now he's the prize, and she knows it. The second rule is about mystery. Machiavelli warned rulers never to show all their cards, never to reveal the full plan. In attraction, this principle is gold. Modern advice says, just be honest, tell her everything, open up completely. But complete honesty kills curiosity. People respect mystery because it activates the most powerful force in the human brain, imagination. When you tell her everything about you too soon, your fears, dreams, emotions, and intentions, you kill the tension that fuels attraction. Mystery isn't lying. It's strategy. It's revealing parts of yourself slowly, at your pace, in layers that keep her wondering what's next. Think of your personality as a movie. If you show the ending in the first scene, there's no reason to keep watching. But if each act reveals something new, the audience stays hooked. It's the same with attraction. When she can't fully predict your thoughts, when she's unsure if you miss her, when she wonders what's going on inside your head, that's when she's emotionally invested. The less you explain, the more she imagines. And what she imagines is always more powerful than the truth. Silence at the right moment can be louder than 1,000 confessions. The third rule is the foundation of all power. Control your emotions, or your emotions will control you. Machiavelli said that a man who masters his emotions can master others. Most men fail because they react. They get angry, jealous, or desperate when things don't go their way. But emotion is energy, and whoever controls that energy controls the dynamic. If she tries to make you jealous, stay calm. If she pulls away, don't chase. If she tests your patience, smile. Every emotional reaction is a small surrender of power. The man who stays calm when others panic becomes magnetic. His composure is addictive, because in a chaotic world, calmness equals strength. A man who cannot be emotionally shaken becomes a rock, and people, especially women, naturally gravitate toward that stability. Control doesn't mean coldness, it means emotional discipline. You feel everything, but you never let it rule you. When you master your emotional reactions, you become unpredictable. And in the game of attraction, unpredictability is power. Your calmness becomes your weapon. Your silence becomes your strategy. Your restraint becomes your strength. The fourth rule is about value. Make her invest, never give without cost. Machiavelli observed that people value what they pay for, not what they get for free. The same law applies to attraction. When a woman invests her time, effort, or emotions into you, she becomes more attached to you. But if you give her everything, constant attention, compliments, endless availability, without her earning it, she subconsciously sees it as cheap. You must allow her to invest in you. Let her text first sometimes. Let her show she cares. Let her feel that being close to you takes effort. This isn't manipulation, it's human psychology. The more she works for your attention, the more she values it. When she invests emotionally, she becomes attached, because now she's built something. Machiavelli said, "He who makes others depend on him controls them." The modern version, the one who creates emotional investment holds the power. So don't be afraid to pull back. Let her miss you. Let her feel your absence. When your attention becomes a reward, not a constant supply, she'll chase it. Value is built on scarcity, not abundance. And a man whose presence feels rare becomes unforgettable. The fifth and final rule is the hardest, but it's the most powerful of them all. Be willing to walk away. Machiavelli wrote, "He who is not ready to lose will eventually lose everything." In love, power always belongs to the one who can walk away. If you fear losing her, you've already lost, because she can sense that fear, and once she does, she'll test it, consciously or not. But when you know your worth, when you can look her in the eyes and mean it when you say, "I'd rather be alone than disrespected," that's when you become untouchable. It's not arrogance, it's self-respect. Every strong man reaches a point where he no longer needs a woman to feel valuable. He becomes his own source of validation. Ironically, that's when women chase him the most. Because deep down, every woman wants a man who could have anyone, but chooses her. A man who's not afraid to walk away never has to. His presence demands respect because his absence has power. When you understand all 5 of these rules together, something changes in the way you carry yourself. You stop chasing approval and start creating it. You stop living for reactions and start leading the energy in the room. Let's recap them briefly. Power creates desire, not pleasing. Mystery is stronger than full honesty. Control your emotions, or they'll control you. Make her invest. Value grows through effort. And finally, be willing to walk away, because that's where true freedom begins. These aren't about manipulation or playing games. They're about understanding what drives human attraction. The same instincts that Machiavelli saw in politics still exist in love. Attraction isn't luck, it's power dynamics, built on confidence, scarcity, and self-control. When you stop chasing, you become the prize. When you stop explaining, you become mysterious. When you stop reacting, you become powerful. And when you stop fearing loss, you become limitless. In every relationship, one person leads and one follows. One person holds the frame, the other adapts. Be the one who holds it. Be the calm storm, silent, composed, but impossible to ignore. You don't make women beg through force or manipulation. You make them beg through presence. When your energy speaks louder than your words, she'll feel it. When your silence carries more gravity than her emotions, she'll respect it. And when your standards rise above her games, she'll chase it. This is not about control over her. It's about control over yourself, because once you master yourself, you master attraction. Machiavelli didn't teach people how to love. He taught them how to win. And in today's world, where everyone's chasing attention, the real power belongs to the man who doesn't need it. The man who walks into a room and doesn't try to be noticed, yet everyone notices him. The man who gives less, but means more. The man who leads with silence, confidence, and intent. So the next time you think about love, remember, it's not about being the nicest man in the room. It's about being the most grounded one. The one who doesn't flinch, doesn't chase, and doesn't beg, because he understands his worth. That's what makes her beg. Not your words, not your money, not your looks, but your control, your mystery, your power. In the end, the Machiavellian man doesn't manipulate emotions. He masters them. He doesn't chase love. He attracts it. And he doesn't lose power because he never gives it away.
So now the question is, which of these 5 rules will you start with? And are you ready to stop chasing and start leading? Because once you do, everything changes.